Turn on the laptop, log into Windows if needed, switch on the Buffalo. This will turn on the Wi-Fi. Check the voltage is greater than 12 volts. Make sure ScanMan 3WM is running. This downloads the emails. Run the Buffalo software. This will import the file. Log into the Buffalo. You can also scan your badge to log in. Run the Wi-Fi scanner software. The emailed file will arrive in Outlook. This is a picture of Microsoft Outlook. And it will automatically be imported by 3WM and the ScanMan software. Once it's finished loading all of the rows in the file, it takes a few minutes, then it warns you and you can click OK to load a new task. Raise the fork slightly. Put the Buffalo on the fork closest to the driver's side. Clamp down the sides. The clamps must be pre-arranged. Check if it's secure. Drive to the aisle. Select the aisle. Enable the scanners. You can scan the first bin location or just click on the screen where you're starting. Check that the correct aisle and bin is selected on the screen. Check that the video screen is correctly located on the right-hand side, the live video feed. Now you're going to move up to scan the pallet barcode into the correct location. You don't need to scan the bin location barcode. The motion is up, across, and then down. You can push forward and back to align with the barcode. If you get a correct scan, the screen goes green and red if there's a wrong bin location, so the pallet's not expected in that location. Click the clear bin and rescan. Move steadily up, scanning the pallet barcodes. Make sure the bin on screen correctly changed. When you get to the top, pause the scanners, disable the scanners, move the reach truck forwards, and then enable the scanners and scan the top bin location again. Move forward on the next bin before you enable the scanners. Then scan down. Scanning on the way. The bin location will change automatically with the height. You can repeat this motion up, across, and down till the end of the aisle, and then click Send Email. When you're transitioning between aisles, disable. To remove the Buffalo after scanning, release the clamps and move the Buffalo to the charging area. Turn it off and then connect the red charging cable to the red lugs and the black one to the black charging point. Problem solving. If the scanners do not come on, click on Scanners are enabled, then click on it again to disable them. You'll hear them beep, and then enable them again, and all of the scanners should come on. If you get the no drone message, it's normally because of a Wi-Fi problem. You might be on the wrong Wi-Fi. Check that it's marked as buff 00, whatever your Wi-Fi is. Make sure you connect to the Buffalo network and put connect automatically on. Then once again, check at the bottom. It's fine if there's no internet. Internet's only needed for sending and receiving files.